Today, we're breaking down the top 3 U.S. stocks analysts are bullish on this month. Stocks that are not just trending, but showing strong fundamentals, analyst upgrades, and serious potential for growth in 2025. So grab your coffee, watch carefully, and let's jump right into this power-packed breakdown that could help shape your portfolio. First up, no surprise here, NVIDIA. This AI powerhouse continues to dominate headlines, but analysts believe it still has more room to run. Key points. Recent price action. As of early June 2025, NVIDIA is trading near $1,300 after a 3-4-1 stock split in April. Post-split momentum has stayed strong. AI infrastructure leadership. NVIDIA remains the backbone of the AI revolution. Their H200 Tensor Core GPUs are in high demand for LLM training, data center scaling, and real-time inference. Earnings beat. Q1 FY 2026 earnings saw a 20% revenue increase YoY, primarily driven by data center and automotive segments. Analyst rating. 32 out of 35 analysts currently rated a buy or strong buy. Morgan Stanley and Goldman Sachs have raised their price targets to $1,500 plus, citing sustained growth in cloud partnerships. Valuation and risks P/E remains high, approximates 60x forward earnings, but analysts argue it's justified by growth trajectory. Risks include regulatory pressure and reliance on Taiwan's chip manufacturing. So with AI's explosive momentum, NVIDIA still looks like a high-conviction play. But let's move on to a stock that's flying a bit more under the radar. Coming in next is Eli Lilly. This pharma giant is turning heads with groundbreaking innovation in the obesity and Alzheimer's treatment spaces. Key points. Breakthrough drug pipeline. Mounjaro and Zepbound, their GLP-1-based obesity drugs, are already blockbuster hits. FDA is fast-tracking multiple new indications. Alzheimer's drug progress. Donanemab recently received FDA priority review. If approved, it could be a billion-dollar-plus annual revenue stream. Earnings momentum. Q1 2025 earnings grew 35% YoY. Free cash flow is strong, and margins are expanding. Wall Street sentiment. 28 out of 30 analysts rate Eli Lilly as buy. Citi upgraded to a $1,000 price target, citing the obesity treatment market potential of over $100 billion by 2030. Dividend strength, not just growth. Eli Lilly also offers a 1% dividend yield with consistent annual hikes. Eli Lilly is a great blend of innovation, profit growth, and stability, perfect for both aggressive and defensive investors. But now, let's talk about a tech stock that's been rebounding massively this year. Our third pick is CrowdStrike. With cybersecurity more critical than ever, CrowdStrike is emerging as a clear leader in endpoint protection and XDR. Key points. Cybersecurity tailwinds. Increasing ransomware attacks and geopolitical tensions are driving massive demand for robust cybersecurity platforms. Falcon platform dominance. CrowdStrike's cloud-native Falcon platform saw 33% YoY growth in customer count last quarter. Financials. FY 2025 Q1 earnings saw ARR, annual recurring revenue, cross $3.6 billion. Operating margins hit 20%, a new high. Analyst upgrades. Wells Fargo, Jefferies, and Piper Sandler upgraded CRWD in May 2025. Price targets are trending toward $400 plus. Acquisition strategy. Recent acquisitions in identity protection are being praised for filling product gaps and improving cross-sell opportunities. With scalable tech and high client stickiness, CrowdStrike has carved out a strong moat in a fast-growing industry. So there you have it, NVIDIA, Eli Lilly, and CrowdStrike, 3 stocks that top analysts are extremely bullish on this month. Remember, this isn't financial advice. Always do your own research or consult with a professional. But if you're looking for high-conviction plays this June, these companies are definitely worth your watch list.